Is it anything good? Oh, Miss Scarlet? Is there anything good in there? Go see. Smells like something good, huh? Is that your doggy place treats? Are there yum-yums in there? Yeah, there's yum-yums? Are you sure? Are you sure there's yum-yums in there? Miss Scarlet? Should Mama help? Yeah? No, just sit here on my butt, huh? Alright. Get it! Get it! Yeah? Oh, you think so, huh? We gotta get him out of there. Why do I gotta do everything? Wait, no, you leave it. Alright, we've got bully braids. Bully braids there. Back straps there. Let's see which one they prefer. Alright, girls, you come get one. Which do you want? Oh, we got a bully braid gone. Connie, come pick one. Come on. One for bully braid and one for backstrap. No time at all. We waste no time at all here. Is that any good to Connie? Connie, do you know I'm alive over here?